Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Palindroman Numerals by Matt Tressel. I guess Roman is in there. Yeah, Palindroman Numerals. Okay. Anyway, let's go over the rules. We have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules today. So in each row, each column, in each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. So I have these gray lines in the grid. There's a circle in the middle that we'll talk about that in a second, but the lines are palindrome lines. They are read the same forwards and backwards. So let's say this was 1, 2, 3. This would have to be 2, 1. So that reads 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 this way, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 this way. The central cell that's marked with a circle must be odd. So it's 1, 3, or 5. In addition to that, we do have X's and V's in the grid. These are Roman numerals that remind you of the sum. So digits separated by a V sum to 5. Digits separated by an X sum to 10. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right. I am no stranger to just putting 1, 2, 3, 4 on V's. And then X's can only be 4, 6 in a 6x6, which is quite limiting. We're also going to put 1, 3, 5 on all the circles. All right. This has to be the 5, 6. That makes this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So where does this cell go in this row? Marked it in green. Well, I guess I should say one way to think about palindromes is that cells that are equidistant from the center have to have the same value. That's the only way you're going to get them to read forward and backwards the same. So this green not being in these two cells, it means it's also not in these two cells. It's also in this box, so it can't repeat in the box. And so actually the only place to put green is right there. So that's green, which does make it a 4. The only common digit between these two is the 4. So that makes this a 1, and it makes this a 2, 3 pair, which makes this not a 3. And that makes this a 6. We get the 6 and 4 here. This can't be 1, 4, so this is not 2, 3. Very nice. All right, I don't need that to be green anymore. What else do we have going on here? So I could color. Let's make these green. These are the same, and these are the same. And then we know it's different than green, so we can make it purple. So we know that green is not 1, 4, or 6. So it actually does have to be 2, 3, or 5. Purple isn't 2, 3 because of this box. It's also not 1, 4 because of this box. So if it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, it is from 5, 6. Let's use this 2, 3 pair and this 1, 4 in case that's not clear. In fact, 6 goes in one of these two. 1 goes up here. Should I color these as well? Okay, yeah, we know this cell here isn't purple or green because of this box. In fact, these aren't purple or green because of the box. Okay, that's handy. So we can color these orange and blue, and then that's blue and that's orange. So what do we know about these? They're not 1, 4 or 6. They're not 1, 4, 6. They're from 2, 3, 5. Interesting. That's a 2, 3, 5 triple. That places purple as 6. Don't need to color it anymore. This is a 2, 3, 5 triple here. In fact, this sees the 2, 3 pair. So blue has to be 5. Makes this 6 and 5. So orange is not 5, and neither is green. So they're a 2, 3 pair, leaving just 1 here for the column. All right, this is our green 2, 3. And this is our orange 2, 3 along with a 4. No, along with a 5, sorry. That means this is also 2, 3, 5. That's a 2, 3, 5 triple here. So these are in fact, we need a 6 in the column, which goes here. And then we need a 5 in the, oh no, not 5. We need 1 and 4. So the 4 says that's 1, that's 4. This finishes with the green 2, 3. One day I'll resolve them. We can actually color these. This is the orange, this is the green, because the columns. We have 1, 4, 5 left for this box. This can't be the 4 or the 5 though. So that's our 1, that's our 5, that's our 4. That's this is 3. So all of our greens are 2 now, and all of our oranges are 3. So we don't need those colors at all anymore. We can just finish the puzzle. That's 4 and 1, that's 2 and 3, that's 5 and 5, that's 3. And this is a 1, and we're done. All right, nice puzzle, Matt. I think the break-in was really neat. I don't know if that was necessary to get started, but it was certainly nice where this cell had to go right here, and it made it a 4, which really helped resolve a lot of my initial pencil marks. All right, cool. Well, hope you enjoyed this as well. If you did, then why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.